Hello, this session will take you through a tour of the Go Enterprise 24/7 Administration console. Let's go ahead and start by logging into the system. Okay, we'll just go ahead and log in. The first thing you'll see is the admin homepage. Notice on the left we have a menu pane with various categories, each of which contains views and pages. Next, we have an alerts column which contains various notifications. And finally, in the central region here, we have several functional groups that contain shortcuts to common administration tasks. Let's go ahead and run through the menu pane. We'll start with the options category, which contains groups, users, applications, new messages, licenses, and the start wizard. We'll start with groups. The groups view contains a list of the groups on this server. At the top, you'll notice the top bar, which contains administration buttons. The users view contains a list of all the users on this server instance. You'll notice here that the columns can be filtered based on certain criteria. Notice also at the top that we have the top bar with the administrative actions. Now let's go to the applications view. The applications view contains a list of all the applications on the system. Note at the top you have the 3 Go Enterprise Office applications that are included with Go Enterprise 24/7. Below that we have a custom developed app that was created using the Go Development Studio. Lastly, we have a secure browsing app that provides mobile access to an intranet site. The new messages view contains system-generated alerts. The licenses view contains all the licenses enrolled on this system. Note here that you can also see how these licenses are allocated. The Start Wizard initiates the server configuration panel. We'll go ahead and skip this for this session. And now for the system category. The settings page contains global settings for our company and contact information for the administrator, as well as storage allocation. Let's go to User Devices and Statistics. At the top you'll see a summary view with some graphs. And below that you'll see a list of devices on the server. Note that a given user can have more than one device. Next we'll review SSH connections. This view allows an administrator to create and manage SSH or secure shell connections between the Go Enterprise server and backend systems. The Rules view allows an administrator to create administrative rules that govern user activity. As an example, we could create a rule here that would allow or disallow access to an application based on user group membership. The About page lists the Go Enterprise server version information. Now for the Go Apps Development category. This contains a link to a page that provides a brief description of the Go Development Studio. In addition, there's a button that allows an administrator to create a web browsing application. The Support category contains a link to the Administration Environment Manual. In addition, it contains a link to various support options. Finally, in the upper right corner, you'll see the name of the user who's logged in. This is where we can go ahead and sign out of the system. That concludes this session. Thank you for watching.